We're going to be working on our CH sound. It says ch. If you need help with your CH sound, that's okay. I want you to go check out my video before we get started. The video will tell you exactly how you should move your tongue, teeth, and lips to make this sound. Go there first, check it out, then come back here and practice with me. We'll be working on reading with our CH sound. Our story is Chance Chases Everything. So, when you're reading the story, you'll see the CH sound and hear the CH sound in words in all positions. So it could be in the beginning, middle, or end of the word. If you have trouble, that's okay. I want you to go back and check out the video to help you with your sound, or comment down below and I'll help you. Let's get started. I'll read first and then I want you to go. I'll read the exact thing that you're going to read and then you'll be able to take your turn. You'll have plenty of time, so don't rush. Just do the best you can do. Sound out your words and practice your ch sound. Chance loves to chase things. He especially loves catching things that he chases. Chance was sitting in a chair when he heard a choo-choo train go by. Of course, Chance chased the choo-choo train. Chance was watching TV in his favorite chair when he saw a bird go chirping by outside the window. Chance jumped out of his chair and chased the chirping bird. Chance was walking by the church with his owner Charlie when he saw a Challenger drive by. Chance pulled Charlie along and chased the Challenger. Chance was laying on the rug one Christmas Eve when he heard something coming down the chimney. Oh no! Chance almost chased away Santa Claus. Keep your eye out when you're driving down the road. You never know when that cheerful puppy may be chasing you. The end. Yes, you reached the end of the story, and you did a great job saying your CH words ch today. I'm really proud of you. Keep practicing this story. I know it's really tough, but you can do this. Practice until you know all of the words and that you're saying all your CH sounds in the beginning, middle, and end of the words. I know you've got this. I can't wait to practice again with you soon. Come back and check out some of my other stories and videos for sounds you may have trouble with, or if you just like reading these stories. I'll see you soon. Bye!